According to those, I could create different structures, and you possibly to collect all the data of two different groups. I can group it into a nested structure as well and create a single group of those two different groups. Correct.
Mm.
So that's the use of nested structures. So basically, this one is my flat structure in this example, and this one is my nested structure. Right.
Yeah.
So any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So, firstly, you can try this. Okay.
Mm.
There's another concept I wanted to teach you was internal tables. Okay. So I'll basically give you a gist of it. Rather than creating an example of internal table, I'll just tell you what basically an internal table is for now in this session. Okay.
Okay.
And for creation or for practice, I'll show you examples in the next session where we'll be creating internal tables, three different types of internal tables, and the operations which we perform on internal tables. Okay.
Mm.
So your work area, then your internal tables are linked together. Correct.
Mm.
So your work area is created using structures. Correct.
Yes.
Similarly, so if you want to store multiple rows of data or multiple lines of data, we would require a table. Correct.
Mm.
But since this table is in only existing your program, it's called as an internal table. Okay.
Mm.
So why it is called as an internal table? Because it is accessed only in your program. Okay. So when your program executes in its runtime,
Mm.
it temporarily holds the data for that the piece of code. Okay.
Mm.
And once your program executes it, it releases that data. So this phenomenon is like it's kind of a temporary data in that case. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So internal table is basically a temporary table, okay,
Mm.
which contains records of data, multiple records of data, okay,
Yeah.
throughout the ABAP program. So the internal table just only stores that data during the runtime only, okay. When your program executes completely and it shows you the display, the data from the table is deleted, okay.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. Okay. So internal table is actually a temporary table which contains records of an ABAP program, correct? That
Mm.
is being executed.
Mm.
Being executed means it is in runtime. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. An internal table exists only during the runtime of a SAP program. They are used to process large volumes of data by using ABAP language. Okay.
Mm.
We need to declare internal table in an ABAP program when we want to retrieve data from your database tables. Okay. So what does this statement mean? So when you want to store the data permanently, what do? We create database tables. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what if from those thousands and thousands of rows of data, I
Mm.
want to specifically load, no, let's say hundreds of data. Okay.
Mm.
So in that case, I need to temporarily hold the data while executing my program or during the runtime execution of program. Correct?
Mm. Mm.
In that case, I will be using a internal table to store that data because I need to just temporarily store the whole the data while my program is executing. Once the execution of my program is complete, I no longer need that data. Why do I no longer need that data? Because my data is actually stored in a database table. Why do I even want to repeatedly store it again? Correct?
Mm.
So in that case, we'll be using an internal table there. Okay.
Yeah.
So to uniquely identify each and every row of data, okay, there's a concept called as an index. Okay.
Mm.
Index basically tells you, like, do you know serial number?
Serial
Correct.
number. Yes, sir.
So anyways, when you see any document,
Mm.
There's a index